Welcome to Travel, Learn, Repeat. Please like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to click on the bell icon.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In March 2025, we explored one of the most beautiful and lesser-known wilderness destinations in eastern India, Similipal Tiger Reserve in Odisha. And honestly, this place surprised us in the best possible way. Similipal sits in the Mayurbhanj district and is part of India's very first biosphere reserve. The name actually comes from the Simul, or silk cotton trees that bloom across the forest, bright red against deep green jungles. The moment you enter, the landscape changes. Dense sal forests, winding mountain roads, crystal clear streams, hidden waterfalls, and untouched tribal villages. It instantly feels like nature's secret world. Now, Similipal is famous for its tiger population, but during our stay, we didn't spot a tiger. And that's okay, because the jungle gifted us so much more. We came across deer, peacocks, monkeys, beautiful birds, and signs of wildlife everywhere. The real beauty here isn't guaranteed sightings. It's the silence of the forest, the flowing rivers, and the feeling of being completely disconnected from the busy world. We based our stay at Jamuani Nature Camp, and I highly recommend it. It's safe, peaceful, beautifully maintained, and they serve delicious local Odia food. The staff helped us arrange our safari and guided us on visits to waterfalls and viewpoints within the reserve. Staying here made the experience so much more immersive. But a quick heads up, phone signals are almost non-existent inside Similipal. So download maps beforehand, inform family about your travel plan, and always explore with a registered local guide. They are familiar with the forest, its roots, the behavior of local wildlife, and the cultural sensitivities of nearby villages. Also, accommodation options are limited, so book early if you plan to visit during peak season. Similipal isn't a rushed tourist attraction. It's a slow, soulful destination. It's for people who enjoy nature, stillness, and raw landscapes. If you love waterfalls, forest drives, eco-stays, bird watching, or experiencing rural India, this reserve will stay with you long after you leave. So come along as we take you through jungle roads, mountain viewpoints, tribal heartlands, flowing streams, and our stay at Jamuani Nature Camp. Let's explore the wild, untouched beauty of Similipal Tiger Reserve together.
That's all for now. See you in my next video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.